Zungu Np present under performance management and professional development, empowering staff through knowledge and continuous learning. We have performance management and professional development. At Kulisa Social Solution, performance management and professional development are key drivers in ensuring that staff are motivated, aligned with organizational goals, and continuously equipped to deliver on organization social impact mandates. Under performance management is performance reviews, regular reviews biannual or annually to align individual contributors with Kulisa mission of social impact. Incorporates 360-degree feedback from managers, peers, and community partners. Reviews should focus not only on outcomes but also on behaviors aligned with organizational values, integrity, empathy, and community empowerment. We have key performance indicators tailored to different roles, for example, project coordinator, facilitators, case workers. And then there's balance quantitative KPIs, for example, numbers of interventions, program reach, and funding outcomes. We have linked KPIs to both individual goals and organizational strategy, ensuring that staff understand their contribution to Kulisa vision. And then we have carer parts, clear progressive routines, for example, field workers, project coordinator, reaching managers, and program directors. Mentorship programs to pair junior staff with experienced practitioners. Cross-function exposed to broader skills, for example, staff rotating between youth justice, community ability, and gender-based violence programs. And then we also have knowledge management angles, learning organizational approach. It includes knowledge capture sharing, documents, best practice case studies, and lessons learned from community projects. Creating essential knowledge repository, digital platform accessible to all staff. Continuous improvement, embedding reflected practice in team meeting, what's worked, what's doing well, and what can we do better. Using the monitoring and evaluation data to adapt program in real time. Encouraging a culture where mistakes are seen as learning opportunity, not failures. Organizational learning promotes action learning sets where teams come together to solve real challenges while developing problem-solving skills. We also building communities of practice around key themes: youth development, restorative justice, women, and women empowerment. Invest in leadership development to sustain institutional knowledge and resilience. And then we have organizational learning. Promotes action learning sets where teams come together to solve real challenges while developing problem-solving skills. Building communities of practice around key themes: youth development, restorative justice, and women empowerment. Invest in leadership development to sustain institutional knowledge and resilience. And then we have professional development opportunities. Professional development opportunities, workshop and field training, effective practice, assessing opportunities. Professional development opportunities, workshop and field training, reflect practices, peer-to-peer monitor KMP, sharing certain knowledge from experienced staff, usual development pathways for people learning together. And then we have resource and supports. Supervise and performance guide, internal knowledge sharing platform, training calendars, and workshop list, or you can contact HR and program managers. Thank you.